Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on ZTE Blade A53 Plus. To do this, we'll need to launch our Google Play Store, Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots or arrow pointing up in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Here find Password Manager and make sure that Save Passwords is enabled like I have right here. And now we can go back and look for any website that we can save our credentials for. In this case, I'm gonna use Facebook. Now inside, if we enter our username and a password, we can click on login. And after a few seconds, we should see Save Password pop up. Make sure to save it and then go back to the Password Manager the same way. Here on the bottom, we can now find the website that we tried to log in with, and I have Facebook right here. Now you can either edit username, edit your password. You can also click on this I button to see the password, but for that you will need to set up the lock screen on your phone. And also there's one last option to delete this credentials with delete password like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.